We are going to continue now with the Richard Wagner operas, and this will be number 4, Wagner 4, and it will be saved in the music folder. Now, this opera, which is the next one, gets closer to the sound of Wagner operas that go from here on, plus that idea of the leitmotif, that is, a certain sound for characters or ideas or situations, is more pronounced in here as well. So this opera I will pay a little more attention to. So if we go on beyond 4, we'll do 4A, 4B, 4C. So you know it's all about this one. Now, this one is quite interesting because it's about, well, first of all, let me tell you when it was done. It's called in German Der Fliegende Holländer, which means the Flying Dutchman. And it's an opera in 3 acts. And it was done by Richard Wagner in 2nd of January in 1843, and it was placed on the Norwegian sea coast around 1650. That's when this uh, drama is done in that era. Now, there are several people in the cast, and I'll tell you who they are. First of all, there's the Dutchman, and there's Senta, and then there's Daland, and then there's Eric, Mary, the steersman, and the choir and chorus, and Clemens Krauss is the conductor. And this one was done in 1944. So that's the actual recording I have of it. Now, the man who is named Daland is a seafarer on his way home from Norway with his ship when a heavy raging storm comes out and he's trying to seek safety somewhere. But what happens is the steersman takes over. There was another ship waiting out the weather also, so the steersman takes over the mighty wind while Daland rests. Unnoticed, though, by the steersman, who had fallen asleep during the watch, a mysterious ship with a black mast and blood-red sails approached it and dropped anchor next to his ship. Now, this is what's interesting, and it rests right near his ship, and it doesn't go anywhere for quite a while. Now, what happens is that the captain is evidently not going to get out of this terrible roaming sea, raging sea, and he can't go any further. Now, we'll continue this in a minute, and this is how the first act actually begins.